L. Goods used goods used other than for sale. This already I have covered when I was doing journal entries. Already I have covered when I was doing journal entries, but one second, let us do it. I will give you the transaction, you will give me the journal entry. Point number A. Write down. When goods are distributed as donation. But what journal entry? What journal entry you will give me? To donation account debit to purchase. याद आ रहा है? This donation being an expense, can I say this will be debited to PL account and this will be reduced from purchase in trading account. Reduced from purchase in trading account. Correct? Understood? Point number B. When goods are distributed as free samples, correct? बताओ what journal entry? What journal entry? Journal entry बताओ everyone. ये सब हम कर चुके हैं. Free sample, or we can also open advertisement account to purchase. So free sample or advertisement is an expense account that will be debited to what? PL, and purchase to purchase means this amount will be reduced from purchase. Correct? Very good. सब याद है आपको. Then लिखो point number C. When goods are used by proprietor for personal use, then what journal entry बताओ? Then what journal entry? Journal entry will be drawing account debit to purchase. Drawing account debit to purchase. So drawing is not an expense. This will reduce from capital. Correct? And this will be reduced from purchase. Have you understood this point? ये point समझ में आया? Yes sir. Correct. Understood this point? बोलो. Point number D. Point number 2. When goods are used for construction of building. When goods are used for construction of building, means there are some goods which are now used for construction of building. So can I say now it will be reduced from purchase and added to the building account? Building में add कर देंगे. बोलो या सुनो. तो what journal entry? Building account debit to purchase. Building account debit to purchase. Correct? So this will be added to what? Added to building and reduced from purchase, reduced from purchase. Are you able to understand? Reduced from purchase. Simple. Correct. Understood? Then point number E. When goods are used for maintenance maintenance of machinery. तो बताओ, it is used for maintenance of machinery, so we'll add to machinery account, or it will be considered as an expense, maintenance expense account. When goods are used for maintenance of machinery, तो machinery account debit करेंगे कि maintenance account debit करेंगे? repair and maintenance account, बताओ, it will be an expense or asset? Everyone, it will be revenue expenditure or capital expenditure? Everyone, respond fast. Respond fast. Very good. Repair and maintenance account. Repair and maintenance expense account debit to purchase. Correct? Very good. So it will be debited to PL, debited to PL, and reduced from purchase, reduced from purchase. Correct? When goods are used by employee and adjusted with their salary, with their salaries. तो what journal entry बताओ? तो it will be either wages account, means अगर wages से adjust हुआ तो wages account, और salary account depending upon the question. आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि it is a direct expense or indirect expense. To what? Purchase. To purchase. Correct? तो अगर ये wages है, then debited to trading account, debited to trading account or PL account, or PL account, means it can be either adjusted with wages which are direct wages. Correct now? Are you getting what I'm saying? Or with the salaries. Correct now? तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा from the information given in the question, and reduce it from purchase, reduce from purchase. Have you understood this point? This point.